Hello everyone, it's peony season and I'm here in a beautiful peony field to show you how to arrange this week's bunch. The birds are chirping, I'm outside, and it's absolutely glorious. And I hope you've set aside a relaxing 5 minutes to follow me in the great meditative art of flower arranging. Now, peonies are very special. They start out life looking a little bit like this, about the size of a golf ball, but soon, over about 5 days, they will absolutely transform to looking a little more like this. And did you know also that peonies were named after Paeon, a physician in Greek mythology who was turned into a flower by Zeus. Now, all our peonies have been grown for us in Lincolnshire, and you may get any of these 9 varieties, and we only take a variety when it's ready to be cut, meaning they will be perfect for you and your arrangement. Now, alongside our peonies, we've got the first Agapanthus of the year that we're using in our arrangements. They remind me of little water droplets. They're absolutely beautiful. Over the course of the week, some of the flowers will drop off, but that's to be expected. Then we've got some lovely textural solidago. I love how the colour works with the rest of the arrangement. We have some beautiful santini, which matches in colour the lovely snapdragons, and the snapdragons and gladioli together are going to form the tall structural centre of the arrangement. Now, to look after your flowers, you must always remember to snip a diagonal inch off the bottom of all of your stems. You want to use room temperature water, then you want to make sure your water's about 1/3 full and use your Freddy's Flower food. Now, a few little extra flower care facts for peonies. They're going to arrive in your box with all of this beautiful foliage on, but when you actually arrange with them, you want to whip off the lower leaves so that they're a none below the waterline. Then some peonies have a little bit of sort of sticky sap on the head. So to remove that, you can literally dunk them in a bit of warm water for maybe 4 or 5 seconds. Then once you've done that, you can give them a little tap on a hard surface like that, all the way around. And that again just starts to loosen them up and encourage them to open. Our outer layer consists of our beautiful peonies. So I'm going to start with them in an even triangle around the edge of the vase. And then I'm going to fill the gaps with the Agapanthus. Face the solidago opposite each other, just a little more centrally, a little more upright. And then I can do the same with the santini, creating a square with the solidago. And we're just getting ever so slightly more towards the center now. Next, in goes the snapdragons in an even triangle, almost upright these are. Look at how pretty that color is, isn't it lovely? And then finally the gladioli, we can just fill the gaps left by the antirrhinums. Absolutely beautiful. I hope you can hear the birds are chirping. I hope you've enjoyed arranging your bunch, and see you next time.